start do with the connecting rod, doing with the lock, the bearing lock, because this bearing is the connecting rod is don't have the lock, so the groove for the lock of the bearing, so we have to do it. All right, now we do. This is it. This is it. The lock, the groove to the bearing lock. We do for the cap. This the cap lock, so this also the one we finished already. All these three with the bearings already installed. Going to do the last one. Done. So this is it all. Okay, nice. This one also done. Nice. So this one with the bearing. So now we put all the Conrad bearings there. This one. All right. Okay. So this is it. The bearing sit nicely already. Very beautiful.
The original main bearing, the press washer is built in the bearings. So now the new main bearing we're going to use is don't have the press washer, not built in. So we have to find another engine model press washer to fit on the block there. Okay, so we have to machine this press washer set, line board this thing, both sides, so that this press washer will sit nicely, and then we can get the correct seating. So also with this bearing is got the lock. the original one is don't have, so we have to make lock here also as well. Here, this thing have to make sure, or this one is we modify this thing because the original bearing is cannot buy oversized, so we have to use different model to make it fit, and this engine can use back. All right. So now we align, doing the alignment, and then we machine for line boring. So done already do the lock on the black side. So this is it. Now we're going to put the bearing. Alright. Nice. Nice. Alright, black side done, so we do the cap. So the thrust washer set also we already machine here, so this one sit nicely already. Alright, there, and the other side also. Alright, alright, sitting nicely already. Alright, so the main cap also don't have lock, so we're going to machine the groove lock to fit the bearing here. Same with the block side. All right. Now
now we machine the groove for the bearing lock. Machining the groove. Right. We try the bearing. Alright, enam. Into the second one. Tight. So very tight, so we have to machine some more a bit. Alright. Okay. Now we're do the third one. The third one. Right. Okay, the last one. Have to check if center or not. Okay, center. Continue. Try. All right, nice. So everything bearing put. All right. So this all after I machine the bearing lock groove on the main cap. So very nice bearing, sit nicely. All right.
torque already according to specs. So now we're going to measure this main housing main bearing so that we can get our connecting main journal. Also with this connecting rod, also I put all the bearings already with already torque. So we're going to measure also this one how big, and then minus the clearance, so that is our connecting rod journal. Alright, so I measure first this main bearing. This bore gauge is sitting to 51.76 for the main. So this one is 51.76. This one number 4, also 51%. Number 3. Okay, now we're going to measure this connecting rod with bearing so that we can get our crank connecting rod journal on the crankshaft diameter minus the clearance. Okay. So this bore gauge now is sitting to 51.56. So this number 2 same. Number 3 also same. Number 4 also same. So this Conrad bearing big end bore with bearing is hit to 51.56, so all same measurement. So minus the clearance for the Conrad we give 0.5. So our measurement on the crank journal is 51.51. So here is it, we writing already Conrad journal 51.56 minus 0.5 clearance 51.51, all same. Main also 51.76, we minus the clearance 0.4, so our crankshaft main journal is 51.72. Alright, now we're going to grind the crankshaft main and Conrad journal. Alright.